Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. I love a big carry-all tote bag that I can throw tons of stuff into, and this one from Sunlight Leaves is awesome. So this is a beautiful brown vegan leather tote bag, and it has a lot of really nice features that make it really the perfect bag to carry all of your stuff in. So first of all, it has these really nice straps that are comfortable. They are perfect for throwing over your shoulder, or you can even carry it as a handbag. I love that it's large enough for a laptop, for a tablet, for your water bottle, your wallet. This bag is gonna fit so much stuff. I also love that this bag has this nice flat bottom so it can stand up on its own while you are packing it, or when you set it down, it's not gonna tip over easily. I also really love, maybe my favorite feature, is the fact that there is a little removable clutch bag on the inside that you can actually snap into place. So this is awesome for keeping your phone, your keys, your wallet, whatever you want to just quickly take out and maybe not bring the whole bag with you. So that is a super nice feature that I really love. There is also another little pocket here for your small items like your chapstick, your keys, whatever, if you want to keep something handy there. So I love that even though this is a big tote bag, you still have some nice organization. So I have been super happy with this tote bag. I love the clean look to it. It's got sort of a vintage style, and this really goes with so many different outfits, and it's going to be able to take all of your essentials with you no matter where you go. So I would definitely recommend this beautiful bag from Sunlight Leaves, and that's my point of view.